We have a hawk that landed at this camera. Didn't sit where it was supposed to, but hey, we take it any time. And then, can you see that hot air balloon to the right of the sage thrasher? These hot air balloons fly there often on weekends. Says Phoebe found a pretty delicious bug for lunch, and the kestrel, a female, came by in perfect lighting, and it sits in front of the camera perfectly. I thought it doesn't get much better than this. Now come evening, and who shows up? We had seen owl pellets below that post, so we knew owls were coming by. And this one is quite curious about the camera and does its neck exercises to figure out what this camera actually is. The hawk comes by the next day, and this time it found prey, and it's going to dive down and get it, and there will be a prairie dog calling as well. Two still shots of this flight, strong and powerful. The rock wren is trying to hold on in this strong wind, and that's not always easy when you're just a little bird and you're sitting up high on a lone fence post. The camera is shaking as well. A turtle dove resting for a minute. It's all puffed out. It's still summer. I'm not sure if it was cold that morning, but it looks cold. And the owl is back. The owl is forever curious and forever looking around to see what can be hunted. And look how it's grabbing that fence post with these claws. Sage thrasher is saying good night. The sun is setting over the Rocky Mountains on the left, and in a minute you will see two high peaks sticking up right there. That's Long's Peak and Mika right there. Those are the highest one there is Long's Peak, a 14,000 foot mountain. And this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, please subscribe below.